Thank you for the silver arrow, Sheriff. I'd love to stay, but I can't. My men are waiting for me in Sherwood Forest.
Robin is back in Sherwood Forest with his silver arrow. The sheriff is very angry.
Robin Hood was here and you couldn't catch him.
We were unlucky. Still, we can find him. Marion is in love with him. I've got an idea. I've got Robin's title, his lands, and his castle. Why not marry Marion too?
Yes. Guards! Bring Lord Fitzwalter here with Marion, his daughter. You want to marry the Earl of Huntingdon, don't you? Well, you can.
But he's an outlaw.
I am the Earl of Huntingdon now. You're going to marry me.
Never! I love the real Earl of Huntingdon, Robin Hood.
What can we do, Marion? We're prisoners here.
I'm going to join Robert in the forest. I know how I can escape. The next day, the sheriff visits Lord Fitzwalter.
She was here half an hour ago. I don't know where she is.
You old fool! Tell me the truth. Where is she?
Good. Good. My plan is working.
Later, in the forest.
Great news, Robin. People are talking about Richard's return. They say the king is back in England.
And that's not all. Robin, this is our newest outlaw.
Oh, Robert! It's me. Marion is with Robin in Sherwood Forest. There is a bad surprise for them, though.
Thank you, Marion. I knew you could find Robin Hood, so we followed you.
Let her go!
What are you waiting for, Gisborne? Kill the outlaw!
Stop! Stop! In the name of Richard, King of England!
Your Majesty, you are safe! Thank God!
I arrived in England 10 days ago. I hurried north to Nottingham when I heard the stories about the sheriff and Gisborne. Bring them here.
But, Your Majesty, this outlaw Robin Hood...
Silence! What is this? When the thief is in power, he calls the honest man an outlaw? I know you are an honest man. You are no outlaw. And your name is not Robin Hood. Return to your castle, Robert, Earl of Huntingdon.
Your Majesty, the sheriff arrested Robert in the middle of our wedding.
Then let us finish what you started, with all my best wishes. Do you, Marion Fitzwalter, take this man, Robert of Huntingdon, to be your husband?
I do.
Congratulations, Robert and Marion.
Long live King Richard!